What's going on, family? So now I made it here to my room, so we're gonna go ahead and do a little room tour right here while I'll be here for the 5 days on the Carnival Breeze. All right, family, so this right here will be the room that I will be staying in for these 5 nights here on the beautiful Carnival Breeze. Right here, as you come in, you have your spacious closet area. Go ahead and put your clothes right here in this area right now, waiting on my suitcase. I got my bag and everything inside already. This right here is the vanity area. This is a spacious room just for me. Look at all the room that I have here. I have the vanity area here, over here. You can see I have my bed, have a twin bed. I'm cruising single occupancy. All right, but I'm not for sure if they got this room mixed up or not, because when I look over here, they set up another bed. I'm not for sure if they thought that I would be with someone else, but they set up another bed and got the cover and the pillow and everything already stretched out, but it's just me. So I don't know what's going on with that, why they got that mixed up. But as you can see, again, I got plenty of room to walk around if I'm trying to get ready. What's one thing about these rooms, when you're trying to put on clothes and get ready, you just don't have room. But as you can see, I have a lot of room. I think this one of these specialty rooms, I'm at the end. So this right here is the last room on the floor. So I don't have a room next to me. So maybe the end rooms, you have just a little more extra room in them than the normal rooms. I think that's what this is. So I do have an end room. So as you can see right over here, it extended out over here. So that's what that is. So go ahead and take a look at the bathroom. Just a regular standard bathroom. You have your shower, you have your toilet, and you have your mirror and your vanity area with your towels and so forth on. So I think I just looked up and I just was able to get an end room, and that's why I have so much extended room in this room here to hang around and get ready and put on my clothes or whatever I have to do. So this is the room tour of a single occupancy room here on the Carnival Breeze.